Today we are going to study biodiversity and the different threats to biodiversity through a image presentation. So first of all, to understand what is biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of plants and animals that are living in the world in a particular habitat, and this has a high level of importance and desirability for the ecosystem to function in balance. Biodiversity boosts the ecosystem productivity, where each species, no matter how small it is, but it has an important role to play in the ecosystem. Now, what are the various threats to the biodiversity? The first threat to the biodiversity is habitat loss. So, due to various human activities, various environmental calamities like forest fires, earthquake, volcanic eruption, there it disturbs the habitat of the animal species, which is the greatest threat for the animals that are living on the planet Earth. The second greatest threat for biodiversity is habitat fragmentation, where the resources that are required for the animals, they get fragmented out. Then habitat degradation, pollution. Pollution, as we all know, it affects the living organisms, both the biotic and the abiotic factors. The exotic species which are not native to the particular ecosystem, when these species get into the ecosystem, they destroy the native species. So there are different varieties, there are different types of threats that are happening even apart from all these points that we discussed. So that's how the species get threatened of their own life. If we just take a list of threatened species, we have so many in number. If you take extinct species in general, there are around 19 species that are extinct out of this earth. The endangered species, that means the species which are about to extinct, or in other words, they are endangered due to various reasons. They are 44 in number. Along with that, there are directly about to extinct. Critically endangered species are 149 in number. Vulnerable species and the endangered cum vulnerable species are also there. That counts 110. Very rare species that are living in the hotspots of the world are around 256. So that why we discuss about this today is we have very recently we have celebrated the Biological Diversity Day. So we need biodiversity for life. In other words, biodiversity is life and biodiversity is our life. So this year, as we celebrate the Biological Diversity Day, let's retain in our minds that we have to control the vulnerability towards plants and animals and enhance ecosystem balance within the ecosystem and in the environment. Hope we enjoyed this small presentation. Thank you.